Hey YouTube, I'm here reviewing the fire helicopter set, and it's set number 60010. Let me show you the box. Alright, so here's the front of the box. It's ages 5 through 12, 60010, fire helicopter, 232 pieces, and there is the special wind-up brick that you get included, and that's the retract button. Really cool. Here's the two firemen. Really simple, 2 bags. You gotta call to these gas tanks. And down here, see the new fire station, which I plan on getting. I've got this, got the fire truck, I've got the fire chief and the little motorcycle. So, I don't know if there's any more fire sets. That's the box, and there's 2 building manuals. First and second, 2 of them. Okay, onto the minifigures. Here they are. It comes with 2 firemen, 1 repelling fireman, and 1 pilot. First, I'll go over the pilot. Here he is. He's got the red jacket on with the blue pants that we've seen before. Back printing on there. Kind of some gold lines. Clips and stuff for connecting the ropes. And his legs do have a reflective stripe. A white helmet for flight. And a smoky visor that does rise. And that's his face. Sunglasses, smile. There's no double-sided printing on his face. So that's the pilot. Next is the fireman. The repelling fireman. He's got the maroon hat. I'll take it off. Here he is. I think he's the nicer of the 2 minifigures. A really nice fire suit on, green fire symbol, and reflective stripes, and same on this side. Even a little gauge there. Printing on his legs and a nice printed face. Stubble, determined look, some scratches. Those are the 2 minifigures. So onto the fire helicopter. This is the this has one of the coolest features I've seen in a long time on a city set, and I'll go over that. First, here's the helicopter. The propellers spin nicely and everything. Nice big propeller span. There's a decent amount of stickers on here, but it's not too much of a chore. And the whole helicopter rolls and can rotate because it has a rotating wheel at the front, so it's easy to maneuver. And it also has a tail propeller. It features a spout here on the side, or a hose that you can spray fires out with. And its main feature is the best feature I've seen in a long time on a city set, is this. It's a repelling hook. So if you connect your fireman connect him to the hook, now he can be sent into closer contact with fire and get pulled back out. So there's a new wind-up brick, and when you press this button, he gets taken up. And I'm going to press this button. This button here will repel, and this button will retract him back in. after he's rappelled down. Sometimes it doesn't get that good a pull, but you get the idea. And so that was a pretty good demonstration of the hook. It's pretty simple to understand how it works. When you pull it back, you can retract it by pushing this button. This pops off a lot. You can fix it by putting a little, maybe a rod in there and a hollow, and leave this off maybe and put it like that, because it's easy to knock off a lot. This is a cool piece here. Handlebars on it. Let me load the pilot in because I forgot to put him in. The cockpit is pretty simple. You can see down into there. 2 levers and a sticker piece. And the sticker has some like topographic maps. And there it is. Now I've got the pilot in. You can see a good view from the front. You got this big thing here. I really don't know what it is in this, but it all looks like great detail. Even the set number here. Look at the tail. So it comes with a little propane station or gas that's gone on flame. Caught on fire, so you can drop down and spray the fire. I lost a spray can somewhere. It was a little yellow spray can, and you can see he's getting in there close to the fire. And then when you're done, when you want to rescue him back up, you just press the retract button here. So to go over the little fire area that you get is pretty cool, because you have some tanks that have obviously gone up in flame. You have this big one here with the actual valve, and the flames are all over. The biggest one being here. There's 2 tanks, like gas, and it has a blinking light. And a blinking light up here. That's basically it. A simple little fire for them to fly to and drop down into. You can get your own ideas from other fire sets that you've gotten. I really recommend this fire helicopter. I found this at Walmart the other day, which I was surprised to see it. I never saw it before, so I highly recommend it. It's a really good fire helicopter. Highly recommend it. It's a really good fire helicopter. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe. Bye.